With coronavirus having spread it to over 162 countries worldwide, many governments have advised its citizens to avoid crowded places and quarantine themselves to their homes to reduce the impact and spreading of the virus. Traveling, socializing, and many communal activities have been restricted. This is causing people at home to feel anxious, scared, and majorly bored. So, whether you are an adult working from home, a stay-at-home mom, a teen, retired person, or someone who is just plain bored from looking at their phone the whole day, here are some 10 simple things to do at home. This is one of the best ways to pass your time. You can take up a couple of your hobbies and create small projects out of them. Be it art, music, dancing, cooking, reading, baking, drawing, or anything that makes your heart happy. Dedicate some time for your hobbies and share your creations with the world. This is the perfect time to spend with your loved ones, having conversations over dinner rather than browsing through your phone. Do activities that you all enjoy. If you live alone, then video call your friends and family and get to know what's going on in their life. You don't need to go to the spa to feel relaxed and stress-free. You can do it at home. Just check your house and grab whatever supplies you can and make yourself a DIY spa therapy. Ask your partner to give you a massage to relax those sore muscles and do the same for your partner as well. This is a fun activity for people across all ages. You can play any game you wish with your family. Cards, board games, indoor games like hide and seek. Involve your kids to come up with innovative ideas to help make the activity more fun. Meditation has so many health benefits and it's very easy to do as well. Practice meditating a little every day. Now, don't do this the whole day, else you can damage your eyes. But watching your favorite TV shows can be a relaxing activity. Opt for watching comedy as it helps in keeping your mood cheerful. Now, I know you don't want to hear this, but exercise is really good for your health. Regular exercising helps in releasing endorphins in the body. These interact with the receptors in your brain and trigger a positive feeling in the body. So don't forget to work out for at least 30 minutes a day. Now, considering everyone is going to be at home the whole day, increases the house chores. Cleaning, cooking, washing, the list is endless. So make sure to help your partner or parents around the house so that only one person does not have to bear the entire burden. Now, this one is a bit quirky, but trust me, it's fun. Staying at home can get boring with you in your comfy clothes the whole time. So, for a change, dress up and have a photo shoot at your home with your family. Involve your kids and make it different. You can wear costumes, do a theme, whatever your heart desires. Post your pictures on social media or keep it to yourself. Your wish. The big takeaway here is to enjoy the process. Rewire your brain cells by learning a new skill, new language, or a new hobby. Learning anything from scratch takes time. So instead of wasting your hours on the phone, utilize it by educating yourself with something different, learning something new. Materials nowadays can be found on the internet. You just need to take the first step. Hope you enjoyed watching. This video is something very different from what I usually upload, but I wanted to share it with you guys. If you can think of any more ideas, please drop them in the comments so that other people can benefit from it as well. Don't feel that you are stuck at home. Stay home, stay safe, and don't panic. Relax, unwind, spend time with your parents, your kids, your partner. Be kind to others and take care of yourself and your family. I will be up with new travel planner videos soon. Thanks again, you guys. Take care. Bye.